Manchester High is represented this evening by Raheem Dunn, Antonia Wheatley, Kimarley Ferguson, and team captain Matthew Dunkley. While Excelsior High is represented by team captain Micah Stewart, Devon Taylor, Daryl Sinclair, and Joachim Edwards. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to the 20th match here in round 1, 21st match here in round 1 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this: high schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Excelsior High won and decided to go first. So we begin with Excelsior High. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock. So Excelsior, we begin with general knowledge. In which city is the headquarters of the World Trade Organization?
Geneva.
Geneva.
That's right. General knowledge for Manchester. In which city is the headquarters of the World Intellectual Property Organization?
Geneva. Geneva.
Also Geneva, correct. International Affairs, a visual one for Excelsior. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Ethiopia.
Ethiopia.
No, Bolivia. International Affairs for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Senegal. Senegal. Senegal.
Correct. Spanish for Excelsior. What is the English translation of the question, ¿Tiene usted mascotas en casa?
How big is your house? How big is your house?
No, do you have any pets or animals at home? Spanish for Manchester. What is the English translation of the question, ¿A qué hora comes tú el almuerzo?
¿A qué hora? At what time will you leave? At what time will you leave?
No, when do you eat lunch? Music and audio one for Excelsior. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Sunday morning, decided to get my paper, decided to read.
I feel good.
No, She Loves Me Now. Music for Manchester. Listen to the following clip. Give the title of this song.
Rockaway. Rockaway.
Correct, both by Barris Hammond. Information Technology Excelsior. Who is best known as the inventor of the World Wide Web?
Jeff Bezos. Jeff Bezos.
No, Sir Tim Berners-Lee. Infotech for Manchester. Which company developed the Safari web browser?
Microsoft? Microsoft. Go with Microsoft. You sure? Yeah, man. Wait. Apple, that man. Apple.
Is correct. Theatre and Cinema visual one for Excelsior. Look at the monitor. Identify this film director.
Mark Twain.
Mark Twain.
No, that's Martin Scorsese. Theatre and Cinema for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this film director.
Greta Gerwig. Greta Gerwig.
Correct. Literature for Excelsior. Who wrote the novel Pride and Prejudice?
Richard Mies.
Richard Mies.
No, Jane Austen. Literature Manchester. Who wrote the novel To Kill a Mockingbird?
Harper Lee. Harper Lee.
That's right. Sport and visual for Excelsior. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Trisha Robinson. Trisha Robinson.
No, Shanice Beckford. Sport for Manchester. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Khadija Bonishaw. Khadija Bonishaw.
The Reggae Girls. Correct. Jamaican Heritage Excelsior. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Lightning no strike the...
Same place twice.
Correct.
Same place twice.
Correct. Jamaican Heritage Manchester. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Little axe can cut...
Big tree. Big tree. Big tree.
Down big tree. Judges, they'll take it. French Excelsior. What is the English translation for tondre le gazon?
I read magazines.
I read magazines.
No, to mow the lawn. French from Manchester. What is the English translation for faire la lessive?
Faire la lessive. To do the dishes. To do the dishes.
To do the laundry. Art, Excelsior. La Velata is the name of an early 16th century painting by which artist?
Michelangelo.
No, Raphael. Art, Manchester. Crucifix for Santa Croce is the name of an early 15th century painting by which artist?
Caravaggio. Caravaggio.
No, Donatello. And that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Manchester High taking the early lead on 8 points, Excelsior High on 2. As we head into our first break, on the other side, it's the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.